This is a giant ice cube. Come on, you think I'm really gonna cut the ice? Okay, so today's viral video started with me about to cut ice. And you know what? I might just cut the ice for you guys today, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, first we need coarse ground coffee. It's important that the coffee's coarse. We take that, and then we just take water. I do about 4-to-1 ratio of water. And then all it takes is patience from here. Now you might be wondering, what's with all the oranges? What's with the eggs? What are you gonna do with that in coffee? Well, stay tuned to find out, but first we need to go get some good coffee. I'm actually joking, I would never get coffee from her.
Still can't believe I got this parking spot.
Okay, so this little stand right here, all-time favorite coffee. I can go really deep on what this place is, but the video is not gonna get watch time, so comment down below if you want more in-depth story on this place. Hey, could I do Nico Soda, please? And also, what is the best bean for cold brew, you'd say?
The Vita.
The Vita?
Yeah.
I'll do the Vita then.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so the Nico. This is the soda version of the Nico, and this is one of my favorite drinks from Espresso Vivace. I know a lot of you are probably gonna think orange is very weird in coffee, but it's delicious, especially with the soda and the cinnamon. Oh. Okay, so first thing is gonna be the grinder. You don't need a fancy coffee machine like this if you wanna get a good grind for your coffee. So today I'm not gonna be using that right there. I'm gonna be using a blender. Most people have blenders, come on. Okay, I'm not doing that much coffee today. I literally blended it for like 5 seconds. I want it to be super coarse. See that? It's super coarse. It's like flaky salt, flaky coffee. Comment down below if I should make flaky coffee salt. I just made a flaky salt mess, but you get the point. Okay, I already made some yesterday because this takes about a day. Take a good container, couple strainers like this, and then just strain. This is the reason why you want to do coarse coffee, because if you do too fine, it'll go through the strainer. There we go, we have a beautiful, delicious cold brew. It's very important to note that you use cold water when brewing, not hot water. The video is not over yet. I still need to cut ice, remember? So stay tuned for me cutting ice, but first I want to make a fun drink. I'm gonna do coffee, I'm gonna do orange. See, I told you I'd cut the ice. Oh my